You can contact us via binizeofficial@gmail.com or WhatsApp at 8,613,312,163,297. We will arrange a customer service manager to assist you personally. Additionally, we have prepared a small surprise for you. Do not tighten the screws too tightly. This is a 20-pin multi-function wiring harness. This is the fan power cable. It needs to be connected to the corresponding connector on the 20-pin harness. These two are USB connection cables. Connect this USB port to the corresponding connector of your original vehicle. This 10-pin connector is for the reverse camera, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth antenna. Please plug it in securely. Now we are connecting the GPS signal antenna. This is the radio antenna extension cable. Connect the other end to the original vehicle's radio antenna connector. This is the power cable. This is the microphone. Please note that this microphone must be connected. Otherwise, you will not be able to use the microphone function. This is the reverse camera included with our product. Connect the red connector and black connector of the camera. This is the 5-meter video transmission and signal control cable. Connect the yellow connector of the camera to this yellow connector. Twist the two red wires together, then connect them to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Note: must connect to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Do not connect it to the brake light by mistake. Connect this black wire to the negative terminal of the reverse light. Connect the yellow connector at the other end of this 5-meter video cable to the 10-pin reverse camera connector. Connect the pink wire at the other end of this 5-meter video cable to the back wire on the 16-pin harness. Connect this connector to the original vehicle's corresponding connector.